Richley Nature Reserve. How beautiful this is. It's got koi fish in this pond. Oh, there was a couple. Oh, there you go. Just there. Gorgeous little area just out of Newcastle. Got this bastard who won't leave us alone. I've got nothing for you, you bastard.
He really doesn't like you.
He keeps trying to peck my hand as if I've got food. This is an Australian brush turkey, and he's an asshole. And the park, toilets. So it's free entry in here. Beautiful area. It's not technically allowed to stay here, but we've stayed here last night, and the ranger was really cool. Hey, look, a kookaburra as well, just chilling right here. Barbecues, everything. The ranger was really cool about it because we missed out on 3 different campsites where we were supposed to stay. All 3 were closed for some reason. So just out of Newcastle this is. Yeah, beautiful. Definitely recommend this place though. It is very nice. Look at him. Leave us alone.